Now, with 2026 coming inside, many people want to know how their year is going to be. But there is a chart called Tajika chart. For instance, we can see how the career will be.
Working hard, but life isn't moving forward? Career Tarot reveals success patterns. Reveal your success path with a Career Tarot reading.
Namaste. Now, with 2026 coming inside, many people want to know how their year is going to be. Now, in astrology, I do not know many astrologers know about this, but there is a chart called Tajika chart. This is the chart which is importantly tells about how the year will be. And like Vimshottari Dasa, you will have the Mudda Dasa, where the Dasa period will not be for years, it will be for few months or 1 month, 2 months. And with that, you can give a very clear-cut prediction. Now, this you can do it for anyone, even for the country also, you can take the Tajika chart and do a very clear reading. Now, let's see for Mesha Rasi how 2026 will be. For Mesha Rasi, it will be a challenging year. There will be a lot of mind confusion. And for some people, there can be a minor crisis, like not having enough money. There's a tension in the job. And if you're not going to listen or not going to do the rituals, it can just get exaggerated into a major crisis. Now, money can be another problem. One is either too little money coming or too much money coming, which can lead you into problems. Your friends can really bring you into problems. You have to be careful. Otherwise, this 2026 is going to be really challenging. After June, you may feel like changing the place or changing the house. Go ahead and do it. Some can change their vehicles also. Now, let's see how it is for the Rishabha Rasi. For Rishabha Rasi, it's going to be a very good year. Now, there will be a lot of new people coming into your life. You will be meeting a lot of people who is going to enhance your life, like friends or colleagues or acquaintance, very positive people in your life. Please accept it, because every people coming into your life, there's going to be a change. In terms of either your characteristics or your appeal or your way of doing things, learning, everything will have a trajectorical change. Travel will be there. There will be little bit tension with the work, like whether you feel like changing the job or staying in the job or even changing the department. Do puja for Rahu, it will give a clear-cut idea. Now let's go into Mithuna Rashi or Gemini. Here there will be a big challenge called work. Work and boss. Those are the two areas which you really need to do concentration, because what will happen is Rahu in the 9th house, you will not understand or have a good terms with your bosses. Like their expectation and your working will be exactly opposite in 360 degree. So whatever they are expecting, you may not be able to do it. So it's better that you do some rituals to clear the energy. Work will change, or the way you do the work will change. The area where you're working will also change. Please accept the change, otherwise the change will come to live with you. Now let's move into Cancer or Kadaka Rasi. For Kadaka Rasi, it's going to be a very good year. Only one thing is you have to be careful of your food and speech. When Ketu goes into the 2nd house, food will have a major change. Might be you had been having a lot of food going outside and eating outside, taking up a lot of new foods. With this 2026, you might think of changing your food for maintaining your health. You'll become more and more health conscious. And usually, you will have a good relationship with your bosses. Being with your family members will all happen. Then some people will get a guru who will guide them through the entire process. And it will be a major eventful year for Kadaka Rashi, Cancer Rashi people, where lot of openings can come into their life. Now we'll go into Simha Rasi. For Simha Rasi, it's going to be a challenging year, because Saturn in 8th house, Guru will come into the 12th house. You have to be really careful. Now, this is the time where your mind will flip to become very negative. You will think of doing a business, resigning the job and trying to take up a new job. My advice astrologically is till 2027 April, it's better you stay put in the same job. Don't change the job. What is running, to maintain it itself will be very challenging. You're going to jump places. You may not get a safe landing. Just stay put where you are. Whatever stopgap you are getting for 1 year, maintain the status quo and momentum. That is the best way. Otherwise, you may have to do rituals very strongly for Saturn and Jupiter. Then only you will be able to manage the situation. Then we move into the Kanya Rasi. For Kanya Rasi people, it will be a very good year ahead. Lot of personality changes will happen. Their characteristics, their appearance can change. Suddenly, lot of new energy can come inside. You will feel very open to the abundance of universe. Lot of things can happen. And if you are between 20 to 30, the marriage area will completely open up. And if you're in the process of searching for marriage partner, it's a very good year to get married. Work-wise, it will be very good. Small health issues can happen. Traveling will be there. Just accept it and move on. With travel, your life will change to the next dimension. Next, we go into Tula Rasi. Now, for Tula Rasi, enemies can appear from nowhere. You will be keeping quiet. You may not want to do anything. You don't want anyone to come inside and have a disturbance in your life. That's the point when people will come. Even the people who have been friendly will come and fight with you and go. You have to do rituals for Saturn and Rahu so that you will know how to handle all these people. And don't take any big money, or if you're going to if you really want to control all this negativity coming into your life, please take a loan and have it for next 1 year. Because of the money crisis, lot of other crises will not come. It's better to have a money crisis. Otherwise, you will have unnecessary expenses for which you may have to take loans, people coming and giving you troubles and problems, and your mind can get distracted very easily. Now we'll go into Vrichika Rasi or the Scorpio. Now for that Rashi, it will be a very, very good year ahead. There will be a good rapport with the bosses. The work will become better and you will have new learning. Automatically, you feel like doing the work very nicely, and things will also be very supportive. Like we say, situation and circumstances will be very conducive for you to have a very successful and a very peaceful year. For Dhanush Rasi, how it will be? It will be a very challenging year because there will be a lot of changes internally. After June 2026, it will become very tough. Health issues can get triggered because Jupiter will move into 8th house. Health issues can get triggered. You have to be very careful when it comes to vehicles, traveling, and also connecting with the right people. Now, that's the point where where Dhanush Rasi people can get fumbled. Be careful. If you get into trouble with someone, just remove yourself from that place or situation. Otherwise, it will get exaggerated. Now, for Magara Rasi people, for them, it will be a very good year. The mind will change. It will become more positive. Attracting a right partner can happen in their life. If they are doing business, the business will become very good. The health will have a good, the health will be maintained in a very nice manner. Food change will be there. One important thing is that how you speak. You have to be very careful because whatever you talk, people can misunderstand. So light lands for Jupiter and start doing the talking. That's how you can maintain the right speech with the right people. Now for Kumbha Rasi, how it will be? For Kumbha Rasi, it will be very challenging. After June 2026, it's better you do the rituals. Otherwise, all positive situation will have a twist. All positive people will get twisted, and whoever are your friends can become your enemies. And it's a very challenging time from June 2026 to June 2027. So it's better you do the ritual. There will be financially, it will not be a much problem, but otherwise your speech, misunderstanding, and people becoming very, very hostile to you can happen after June 2026. You have to be very careful. Finally, it is Meena Rasi. For Meena Rasi, there will be lot of personality change. Accept the personality change. With that only the growth will happen. And Rahu Ketu can trigger a health crisis. It would be better that you become very health conscious and new people can come into your life. Your mind will become very positive. You accept that positiveness, you will have lot of avenues to work and lot of avenues to grow. So for 12 Rashis, I've told you how 2026 will be. Now, individually, you can see your horoscope, and from that, we put the Tajika, and we can clearly tell how 2026 will be. For instance, we can see how the career will be, how the wealth will be, and how your health will be. Everything you can clearly see in the Tajika and Muddadasa. If you want to know specifically about how your 2026 is going to be, whether you can shift the job, whether you can invest in stocks, whether you're going to have a good health, or whether you want to whether the marriage will happen, or you're going to buy a house or vehicle, take up annual prediction. The number is in my description below. Please connect with me in WhatsApp. I'm glad to help you. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about 2026. Thank you.